I'm Wayne Pollock. I'm a thought leadership ghostwriter serving big law and boutique law firm partners. I help these partners build their practices and their prominence one word at a time. If you are spending time on thought leadership, if you are investing in thought leadership, then please, I beg you, stop worrying about getting an ROI ASAP from your thought leadership. Thought leadership is frustrating compared to other forms of marketing because it is often slower in time in terms of producing some kind of result. If you look at other forms of marketing like social media marketing, we can put a post out there and within minutes, someone likes it, someone comments on it, someone shares it. Wow. We have validation, this idea resonated. Or if we or our organization wants to hold a webinar and we put out the invitation and suddenly we have a whole bunch of RSVPs, we have validation that marketing is working. But thought leadership takes a longer time to get results, even though we've all heard examples where one client saw one article and based on that one article, they retained a law firm, they retained the author of that thought leadership article for a fairly sizable matter. That does happen, but that is rare. Those instances are few and far between. So if you are going to be focusing on thought leadership and investing in thought leadership, you've got to play the long game. You need to consistently show up in the marketplace of ideas because that's what we're trying to do with thought leadership. We are making sure that people out there know what we do, know the industries that we serve, the kind of work that we do for our clients, and know the knowledge and wisdom that we bring to our clients' matters that we're displaying through our thought leadership. So much of thought leadership is slowly building trust, slowly showing prospective and current and past clients and referral sources that you have the goods to help with their legal issues and their business issues. A recent edition of the LinkedIn Edelman Thought Leadership Research Report found that 61% of decision makers say that an organization's thought leadership can be moderately or a lot more effective at demonstrating the potential value of its products and services compared to traditional product-oriented marketing, meaning thought leadership is how you can show value to your audience because you are showing that you have knowledge and wisdom to bring to their client matters. Most sales and marketing experts will tell you that only about 5% of your target audience is going to be in the market for your services at any given time. Meaning, if 100 people read a recent article that you put out, at least 95 of them aren't even looking for help regarding those areas of law or business issues that you are covering in your thought leadership. So the point is that your thought leadership should be there to help you build a library, to confirm to people when they're finally in that 5%, when they're ready to hire you or ready to hire someone like you, that you're the right choice because they've heard about you and they go to your website or your LinkedIn page and they see all the things you've written, or they're looking for help regarding a legal issue or a business issue that you've written about. And through your content, they find your other content and they eventually find you. And they decide, well, based on this person's thought leadership, based on this person's content, obviously this person is the person we need to talk to and possibly even retain to help with this legal issue or this business issue. I understand how you feel if you feel like sometimes your thought leadership is just like you're talking to nobody. You are just spitting in the wind because you're not getting feedback. You're not hearing from people that they're reading your articles or reading your blog posts or your client alerts, and that you're actually making progress, impressing them and getting them to see that you are someone they should contact when they have the kinds of issues that you're writing about. But that's the nature of thought leadership. It tends to be a long-term game. If you show up frequently, if you focus on the issues that your clients have, whether they're legal issues or they're business issues, over time, you are going to emerge in the eyes of your target audience as someone to contact when they have the kinds of issues you're writing about. It takes time. It takes consistency. Sometimes that's frustrating when we want an instant ROI. We want to see that we did something on Monday, and then by Thursday or Friday, we're getting results from it. But that's not thought leadership. And that's why the attorneys, the professional service providers, anyone else who focuses on thought leadership will eventually have a leg up over their peers and competitors because they're the ones who are consistently going to the marketplace with ideas, with knowledge, with wisdom, and that's going to persuade past, current, and prospective clients and referral sources to come to you when they have issues that they could use your assistance with, or in the case of your referral sources, when they know someone who has issues that you could help with. If you're interested in learning how to create the kind of thought leadership that allows you to play this long game, check out lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We have plenty of videos, blog posts, and podcast episodes that can help you do just that.